On the economic front, we are witnessing a relentless attack on our currency and the economy in general through exorbitant pricing models by the private sector. We are fully cognizant that this is a battle being fueled by our political detractors, elite opportunists and malcontents who are bent on pushing a nefarious agenda. They will never win. We did not liberate this country for selfish, profiteers and greedy individuals, but for all the peoples in our land who have a right to enjoy a better quality of life. As a party, we must always strive to achieve this. These confrontational actions which played out in the political, economic, and media arena were not isolated instances, but well orchestrated, coordinated, and planned events. I'm aware that the intention was to cause despondency, unrest, violence, and to render the country ungovernable. These acts should never be tolerated.